Apple's first foldable iPhone, or iPhone Ultra, may come with less color options, deliberately avoiding bold or vibrant finishes for the device. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Recently, a leaker known as Instant Digital shared foldable iPhone's design, telling that it'll come with just two color options, with white as the only confirmed shade at the time. The leaker did not reveal the second one now, but Macworld scrapped new details about the foldable's color options. It includes a classic silver and white model and an indigo option described as similar to the iPhone 17 Pro's deep blue finish. The same source said the device will offer fewer choices than the iPhone 18 Pro models, with no bold or vibrant colors. The approach is similar to iPhone X, which was also launched in just two colors, silver and space gray, when it debuted in November 2017. Like the foldable iPhone, the iPhone X was a generational leap that introduced an entirely new design. A limited color offering may also be a practical in sense of production. Supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo warned that early-stage yield and new challenges could mean no smooth shipments until 2027, with potential shortages lasting through at least the end of 2026. Kuo also claimed that around 15 to 20 million foldable iPhones will likely be in demand across the product's full 2 to 3 year life cycle rather than 2026 alone, suggesting that annual volumes will be modest. Manufacturing each additional color variant will add complexity and cost to an already challenging production process, and the device is expected to be in short supply at launch regardless. Gurman says the starting point will cross the $2,000 threshold, so it's also unlikely to attract the kind of buyer who might be swayed by a wider color range. The iPhone Ultra is expected to be announced in September alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.